Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making chicken curry sauce. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive into business. We are going to be needing some chicken for this recipe. Here we are using our chicken breast. You can use any part of the chicken of your choice. You can use the chicken wings, you can use the chicken lap, but here we are using our chicken breast and we'll dice it in smaller sizes, in a chunky size like this. You see the way I'm cutting it. And then we'll pour our chicken in a bowl and marinate with some black pepper, red pepper, ginger and garlic powder, curry powder, seasoning cubes, chicken powder, some dry thyme, turmeric powder. Add some oil to marinate and let it enter very well. And set it aside. Here we have our vegetables we'll be using for this recipe and we'll be slicing it in these sizes. You see we are using our bell peppers here and onions with carrots. You can chop your carrots with this grater. If you have this grater, you chop your carrots in a very stylish way, so by the time you are eating it, it will look very fine in your plate. Then we'll add some oil in a pot and pour in our marinated chicken and allow it to fry until it's golden, fries very well. Then we'll add some water and allow it to cook while we set it aside. Then in a pan, add our sliced vegetables and stir and allow it to fry. We'll first of all put our carrot because it's very strong, so we can allow it to cook while we add the other vegetables like bell pepper. Then we'll also add our seasoning and fresh pepper, so we can allow it to fry very well and cook properly. After that, you stir and mix everything together and allow it to stir fry very well. Then we'll pour our vegetables in our chicken and stir everything together. Then we'll add our curry powder. Be generous with your curry. It's chicken curry sauce, so we can get that flavor and aroma from our chicken curry sauce. Then after that, you allow it to cook. Then we'll go in with our cornflour because the cornflour will make it thick. So by the time we add our cornflour, you add it like this as your powder, and you can also mix with water any way you want to add your cornflour. Then you mix everything together and allow to cook. Our chicken curry sauce is ready. You can serve with your white rice and enjoy it very well. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye guys.